Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I want to show you how to find Wi-Fi password. Sometimes you need to find Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 and Windows 10. In the end of this video you will learn how to find Wi-Fi password. Without delay, let's start. On the Windows search, type here CMD, hit enter. I want to zoom in. Type here netsh, it means show network, then write VLAN. After that write show, then write profile, hit enter. Here you will see different network name. Find your network name or any network name you want to find the password. I want to find home1.net password. Scroll down, type here netsh VLAN show profile, then write name, open two double quotation, inside double quotation write your network name. Before this put one equal here. My network name is this one, home1.net. After that write here key equal to clear, hit enter. Here we have different information about network, about this network. It is SSID name home1.net. Here is authentication, it is WPA2. Security key, it is present. We need this key content, it is our password.